In the smart era of mobile internet, the demand for real-time remote video conferencing is increasing rapidly. Time, space, and geographical restrictions between human to human need to be broken. No matter where you are, Timelink remote video conferencing software can help you launch a global video cloud conference anytime and anywhere. It supports Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android system. Make people via different devices seamlessly without any hassle. Built-in full encryption technology. Create reliable and safe information transmission channels for remote communication. Highly integrated whiteboard annotation, screen sharing, wireless presentation functions. The conference host has the participants' management authority and can remotely manage the participants' voice and video functions. Maintain the order of the conference well and improve meeting efficiency. Support for multi-party participation, 1,000 plus parties. No matter where you are, it provides the face-to-face immersive meeting experience to make the collaboration more creative and effective.